A and an English grammar for beginners. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson. Today we are going to learn A and an. Many English learners think this topic is difficult, but after this lesson, you will know exactly when to use A and when to use an. What are A and an? A and an are called articles. We use them before a singular countable noun. That means we use a or an before the name of one person, one animal, one place, or one thing. For example, a book, a cat, an apple, an egg. Notice that a and an always come before the noun. When do we use a? We use it before a word that begins with a consonant sound. Look at these examples. A book, a cat, a dog, a boy, a teacher, a car, a house. The first sound is B, C, D, T, K, H. So we use a. When do we use an? We use an before a word that begins with a vowel sound. Look at these examples. An apple, an egg, an orange, an umbrella, an elephant, an engineer. These words begin with a vowel sound, so we use an. Very important rule. Don't look only at the first letter. Listen to the first sound. For example, a university. Why? Because university starts with the U sound. The first sound is a consonant sound. So we say a university, not an university. Another example. An hour. The H is silent. The first sound is hour. So we say an hour. When do we not use a or an? We do not use a or an with plural nouns. A books, books. We do not use a or an before uncountable nouns. A water, water. We also do not use a or an before most people's names. A ali, ali. Summary. Remember these simple rules. Use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. Examples. A book, a cat, a dog. Use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. Examples. An apple, an egg, an umbrella. Always listen to the sound, not only the first letter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next English lesson.